and I hope you're all having a wonderful start to the day. I do need to apologise that unfortunately I have been the cause of the delay in Mr. Shaba's assembly that he had ready for last Friday. I desperately wanted to touch base with the juniors, so I said, no, Mr. Shaba, please can I be part of your assembly? And as a result, and as of technical issues on my behalf, Mr. Shaba's assembly has been slightly delayed. So it's not his fault, it's Mrs. Richards' fault, so I do apologise. I wanted to take this opportunity to touch base, to say hello. I know I see you in your classes, but of course assembly is still an online platform at the moment. We are looking into changing that for term 2 and going back to that lovely opportunity of having time together in the hall, in the assembly environment. So fingers crossed that all goes well and that next term I can see you face to face, because I really love assemblies. And I've been collecting all sorts of great ideas over the last few years now that I'm looking forward to implementing into the hall. So I look forward to that. Just a quick one. It's not a nag, it's just a reminder. We do have a behaviour policy here at Northside and we are all expected to follow it. And unfortunately, the behaviour at break time is getting a bit too lively. So please can you all think about it in your classes? We don't want to start taking play privileges away. We have been an incredibly open-minded school when it's come to play during COVID times. A lot of schools, this was a privilege that was not allowed because of keeping our children safe, which we have done, but we also sort of balance the importance of play. So you haven't had to miss out. I know it's been a little bit different, but let's respect that, appreciate it, and make sure that we're behaving the way we should be. And that's in the corridors, in the classrooms, on the field. Let's treat each other with respect, and let's make sure we're not in areas of the school when we're not actually allowed to be or meant to be. Let's not spoil the beauty of play at break time, please, and after school. So if you do find yourself being pulled into something that you know is not right, you make the good decision, you remove yourself and make sure that somebody knows that there's some stuff that perhaps is not the right behaviour. Let your friends know, you know, guys, we should maybe calm down a little bit and just be what we play as we're supposed to. All right, nag over. It's lovely to see you all out playing and mingling and making sure you keep your masks up at all times. Well done for that. But it is nice to see you out in the fresh air and enjoying the atmosphere. Anyway, with no further ado, I'm going to hand over to Mr. Shava and his class. I hope you really enjoy his assembly and their assembly, and I will see you during the week.
Hello everyone, we are 5C, and when school started, we've been working on carbon footprint. So here we're going to tell you what you can do to reduce it. What is carbon footprint? Carbon footprint is the greenhouse gas emissions caused by the product. It's expressed as carbon footprint equivalent. This unit signifies the global warming impact caused by the same amount of CO2. The total banking card is the amount of greenhouse gases emitted during the life cycle. So it's emitted by leaving your devices on or using a lot of diesel cars at once. Start.
Hello everyone and welcome to Television on 5 Minute News. Today we're going to be talking about deforestation and global warming and their effects on the environment. Now, we're going to talk to a climatologist. Hello, Dr. Yvonne.
Hello, Rosemary.
Can you tell us what you've learned about global warming?
Global warming is a gradual increase in the overall temperature of the Earth's atmosphere attributed by the greenhouse effects caused by increased levels of carbon dioxide, chlorofluorocarbons, and other pollutants.
Can you tell us some ideas to reduce global warming?
Yes, I can. If you want to reduce global warming, save energy at home, walk, cycle, or take a public transport, and eat more vegetables and fruits. And you know what? Being eco-friendly is actually good for your personal hygiene.
Thank you, Dr. Yvonne. Now, before we finish, we are going to talk about deforestation. Let's talk to Dr. Michelle. Hello, Dr. Michelle.
Hello, Rosemary.
Can you tell us what you have learned about deforestation?
Sure. The 8 illegal logging, mining, forest fires, wood fuel collection, roads and paper.
Oh, thank you for telling us. Now, before we finish, we are going to talk about some ways to reduce your carbon footprint. Number one, litter-free lunchboxes. You can take a plastic in your lunchbox if you can, if possible. Two, reduce. Do you really think you need those items that will one day land up in a landfill?
3. Plant more trees. If you can, plant new trees in your garden. 4. Make every drop count. Turn off the tap while brushing your teeth and washing your hands, and have quick showers. 5. Recycle. Make sure you put the products that can be recycled in the recycling bin.
6. Reduce energy use. Turn off all electrical appliances when you're not using them. 7. Reuse or repair. You can reuse something again instead of buying a new one.
8. Change your transportation. Instead of taking your car, ride or walk.
Thank you for watching 5 Minute News and see you next time.
Hello. Welcome to our part of the assembly.
Welcome to the TikTok group.
Today we will be talking about ocean pollution. Hi, our names are Tebe,
Tanya,
Balang, and Rais. Today we will be talking about ocean pollution and how it started. Guys, did you know that there are 8 million pieces of plastic a day?
Oh my gosh, really?
100 die yearly because of plastic pollution.
That's crazy.
Did you know that ocean pollution is mostly caused by toxic waste and oils?
Did you know that ocean pollution is also caused by littering and sewage?
Did you know that 11 billion pieces of plastic are hurting the ocean's coral reefs? Did you know 18 million pieces of plastic enter the ocean every year? Did you know that there's enough trash in our ocean to circle the earth 400 times? Did you know that Team Seas reached the goal of 30 million pounds removed from the ocean on January 2nd, 2021? Did you know that Team Seas currently has 32 million pounds of trash collected right now?
Did you know that $30 million was donated to Team Seas?
Wow, that's serious. I heard that Team C's Mr. Beast collaborated with another YouTuber named Mark Rover. Together, they collected 99,000 pounds of trash.
Might as well throw this bottle away. I mean, it is empty.
Tebe, stop! You can recycle this.
If you don't, all the turtles will die!
I know the marine animals will go extinct, all because you did not recycle.
This is how you can help. Instead, you can choose recyclable, reusable items over plastic single-use items.
You can also dispose of waste properly. This can help a lot.
And lastly, you can join local cleanup events. This can help a lot. And before we log off for today, here are 5 ways how to reduce your carbon footprint.
Only buy what you need. 20 to 50% of what you buy ends up in a landfill.
Number 2, eat less meat and dairy. 70% of the world's carbon footprint is made out of animal products.
Eat less processed food. The more processed the food is, the bigger its footprint. Number 4, buy local and in season. These foods have traveled less and stored less.
Number 5, grow your own food. The ultimate in the local, unprocessed, seasonal food.
Wow!
Thank you for watching our little TikTok. We hope you enjoyed. Welcome to our YouTube channel.
Today we are preparing a birthday party for someone special. Can you guess who?
I wonder who it is.
Wait! Where's gonna be the venue? Maybe the field.
Yes, that's a perfect idea. What about the decorations? Remember, it has to be eco-friendly.
We can use plastic to make pom-poms and cardboard to make a banner.
What about the food?
We can have fruits for a snack with a cup of freshly squeezed juice, and for lunch we can have homemade food.
Last but not least, presents. We can use plastic to make a skipping rope for Ophelia.
Happy
birthday, Ophelia!
Oh, thanks. I hope you guys got me presents this year.
No, we got you a skipping rope.
Oh,
of penguin colonies has changed as ice conditions alter and glaciers start to melt.
Oh, and fun fact, Imoni, some countries have the highest carbon footprint in the world.
Whoa! But do you have any way to help them reduce their carbon footprint?
Yeah, so let's start talking about carbon offsets. You can reuse, reduce, recycle, use less electricity, and carpool with other friends.
Okay, but does that produce a lot of carbon footprint?
No, not that much is emitted into the air.
At least it's not that much.
Yeah, so that's why I like talking about carbon offsets.
Okay, so today we'll be calling in one lucky person to tell us about their knowledge on carbon offsets. Hello. Good morning to your live.
Hello.
Hi, can you please tell us about your knowledge on carbon offsets?
Okay, so you can use less electricity, carpool with other friends, plant more trees, and reuse, reduce, and recycle.
Oh, thank you for teaching us.
No problem.
Drops call. And that's our morning tea for the day. See you next